Let me show you what happens when you put a match in a microwave. When you light the match, it produces potassium and sodium emission lines because they're in the match, and they produce gases, and when the microwaves bombard the gases, it ionizes the gas and superheats it to form this great big glowing ball of plasma at the top of the beaker, or kind of like basically what you see in lightning. So here, let me show you. Oops. 1 minute, here we come.
Whoa!
Wow!
Whoa! That's a good one.
Oh boy, here it comes! And more! More and more and more! And I bet you there's gonna be more.
It may not. It may have burned that match completely up.
Wait! Oh my gosh, I saw sparks! Whoa! It created a flash! Did you see that?
Yeah, I see little flashes.
Oh my gosh!
But I think it's just about done.
Oh my gosh, there's still...
You're kidding me!
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? 6,
Whoa!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it stops. Oh my gosh, it's still on fire!